got $300 worth of one. We had this one girl from Hawaii, and she danced for us all night, just me and her, right? And she made a bet, a $500 bet that I wasn't.
Yeah, go down on it.
Yeah,
And you ate the cootie, she ate the cootie.
$500. I had my hand out at the same time. Ching ching.
Yeah, you ate the
Look,
cootie,
this bitch
she ate the
sexy.
cootie.
Yeah, both of us.
I know. I heard that. I heard about it.
I don't give a fuck about going viral. That shit could have changed me anyway.
This is crazy.
But they didn't show her sucking your dick. They showed you just eating ass and pussy. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You went viral.
Okay.
At least I'm the one to tell you. They wouldn't tell you probably.
I did tell you.
Or let you see the video. At least they could have let you see the video.
I don't know.
Right.
I still haven't
I don't
seen
know.
At least I'm being real.
I don't know where it's
Fuck
at.
out of here. They could have let you see it.
I don't know who got the
They
video.
didn't show you the bitch doing nothing. They just showed you eat the bitch ass and pussy and you bust the bitch in the face with the motherfucking bottle.
For good measure.
Because the bitch jumped on your face.